Hey guys, what's up? It's Ellis Ricketts. I'm back with another video. It's been a while, but I have this easel that I really wanted to show you guys. It's the newest addition to my studio, and it's good for workflow, so I just really wanted to show you. It's pretty cool. It's one of the coolest easels I've ever seen, so I had to buy it. So I had this site saved for maybe 2 years, and I always knew that I was going to get it eventually. Somehow I was going to get it. It's kind of expensive, so that's why I waited for so long, but I finally got it, and it came unassembled, so I had to assemble it. The instructions were very clear and easy, so I wanted to show you guys how cool this thing is. So there's a website for it. It's called the Everyday Easel. I scrolled around. I kind of had it as I was window shopping it for a while. So like every now and then I would go on the site and I'd look at it and be like, oh yeah, I really want that. Keep reminding myself that I really wanted it, so that I always took advantage of an opportunity to get it if I had the advantage. Actually, something crazy happened. One day, I checked the website just looking at it, just dreaming and hoping that I'd ever have it. And it was on sale for 50% off. It was on, I think, in July or something. And yeah, it was like a sale. So the whole site was 50% off, even the easel itself. So instead of $2,000, I paid $1,000. So I got it for 50% off, which is still expensive. I paid a lot less than I was planning to, so I got lucky, I guess. The cool part about it is it shifts a lot. Like, there's a lot of functions. So I'll demonstrate here. You can lift the board up and down, depending on if you're sitting or standing. You can make it face flat, like a table, 90 degrees. And with the lever here, that unlocks it. And you bring it up. You push the lever back down, and that locks it back in place. You can even put it on an angle, like that. You could use this back pedal here. You just lift it, and that kind of eases it and unlocks it and then locks it back for the up and down motion. It's cool because it has like an air pump on the back, so the movement is very smooth feeling, and it just feels like pure quality when you move it around, and you do your adjustments based on how you want to create that day. When the pump is lifted down, these white bulges fall into the crack. Then it could be 90 degrees flat. The package comes with these trays here that are magnetic. You can place it on the board. It comes with these canvas clamps. It comes with like a padded wrist rest for your wrists when you're creating. It comes with this iPad tray, or you can put your phone on there. It comes with these two magnets here. And yeah, you just stick it on. Place that there. Put your wrist rest there. I'm just gonna put everything that it comes with on. So I got some new canvases here. I'm gonna use the clamps, and you just clamp it onto the canvas just like that. Then you spin those and then lock it in place. Spin those knobs and lock it in place. Place it on. So what's cool is you can move it up and down and sideways in any direction you want. Makes it super easy. You can even like throw it to the side. It can hang off the side there like that. Yeah, so it's very cool. Me pretending to paint. And yeah, you could put your paintbrush in here. Some brushes in there. You can put your beer right there. Yep, and your paints. It's cool. So you can have all your equipment right next to you while you're working. The iPad holder. The magnets are quite strong, but they're not going to affect your equipment or your like screen or anything like that. So you can even buy attachments separately from like some other place. I got this on Amazon. Little magnets here. So if two wasn't enough for you, you can just get little magnets, click them on. So you don't have to get all your little pieces from Everyday Easel site. You can mix and match and find stuff from other places and basically do whatever you want. I mean, you're an artist, you're creative. You can figure something new out if you want. Yeah, so it's very cool. I've been creating on it ever since I got it. I've been doing all kinds of stuff, paintings and drawings, and very elegant, sleek look, large, very tall, nice big surface. I'm happy with this purchase. To me, it's worth it. You don't have to be a professional to want cool things. So, yeah, I'll go leave a link below so you can look at the Everyday Easel for yourself whenever you feel like it. If you're like me, you can look at it every couple months and hope that there's a 50% off sale again, like I did. Get lucky. You never know. Anyways, thank you for watching. Been a while, but had to share it. Feel like I had to show you guys something cool. So, thank you very much. Catch you later.